Fighting out of the red corner, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Senuri! Her boxing credentials include a gold medal at the All Ireland School Games 2019, gold at the BASL Leighton Cup Boxing Tournament 2022, bronze at the BASL Clifford Cup Boxing Championship 2023, and bronze at the 47th National Sports Festival 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up one more time for Senuri! Your judges for this fight, Mr. Nishanta Dharmadasa, Mrs. Chinta Veerasinghe, Mr. Lakshman Tilakaratna, Ms. LYS Prabuddhika, and Mr. T.S. Veerasena. Your doctor for this fight is Dr. Buddhika, and the timekeeper, Mr. Anthony Kumar, and your referee for the women's minimum weight category under 48 kilograms, Mr. Mahesh Sumanavira. Next up, fighting out of the blue corner, representing the Sri Lanka Army, with her head coach, national level Bala Surya, officially weighing in at 48 kilograms, a boxer with a heart of gold and determination to succeed. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Netme! Her boxing credentials include a silver medal and best loose at the intermediate boxing tournament, bronze at the National Boxing Championship, gold at the intermediate boxing tournament, gold and best boxer at the Leighton Cup Boxing Tournament, gold at the Clifford Cup Boxing Championship, and gold at the National Boxing Championship 2023. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up one more time for Netme!
Senuri in the red corner will take on Netme in the blue corner. Listening to their credentials, both boxers seem to have equal experience leading up to today's event.
Now the officials are ready, the fighters are ready. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go to war!
Round
the first
one.
bout of the day for the women. This is a 48 kg minimum weight category bout.
The boxer in red is from Hangwella Rajasinghe Mahavidyalaya, and the boxer in blue is from the army.
The boxer in blue, Netme seems to be ahead, but this is too early to be predicting a winner. He
Boxer
seems
in
to be
blue is attacking left-right combination.
He got a couple of rights there to connect. Senuri seems to be taking the back step, and Netme here has imposed her dominance in the first round.
මේකද ඊළඟ එකද?
Senuri seems to have lost her rhythm. She's eager to throw in a punch and maybe impress the judges with a few scoring blows, but she's got to watch her stepping. Ah, she gets a lovely left hook there. A lovely uppercut there by Senuri. She seems to have found her composure. You see, boxing is not all about throwing in punches. You've got to maintain your stamina. That should be a part of your strategy. Very close bout, this one.
End of round 1.
P.S. Veerasena. Timekeeper is Mr. Anthony Kumar and the doctor in attendance
Round
Dr. Buddhika
two.
Lokogamahin.
Both boxers eager to impose their dominance here in the second round. That's a lovely left hook there by the boxer in red, Senuri. That's another right hook. But Netmi there creeping in and throwing in a left hand. Senuri seems to be depending too much on her right hook. She's got to throw in the left hook, throw in the right hand as well, and keep Netmi at bay, because she is quite eager to throw in her punches. Coaches on by either side of the ring screaming out commands. Still a very evenly fought bout. Netmi throwing her first punch to the body. She's been repeating that move quite consistently. That one there, jab to the face there by Netmi. I feel Netmi here is slightly ahead because of the rapidity of her punches. She's willing to engage. She's the one dictating the pace to this bout. Senuri there showing signs of fatigue, looking over to the referee. These are gestures that the judges will notice. Netmi persisting forward.
End of round 2. Third and the final round.
Netmi yet again being the aggressor, dictating the terms of this fight. Senuri only trying to keep up, defend and attack. Both boxers being cautious. Well, although I'm in favor of Nethmi at this very moment, I must say that this is a very closely fought bout. From where I am sitting, Nethmi seems to be ahead. But remember, there are 4 sides to the ring and there are judges seated. And Nethmi there, getting hurt according to the ref.
Being a mandatory count of 8.
But there's nothing to worry about. The count of 8 is just to get the boxer back on track so that we can have a good fight in the ring. Senuri gaining confidence now, taunting her opponent. But she'll have to be cautious. Nethmi is quite the feisty puncher.
She scored with a left hook. Blue being cautioned by the referee to keep her head up.
The last 10 seconds of this bout will count with how the judges score this round. Senuri at the moment ahead. Nethmi started off fine, but here again Nethmi gaining a bit of momentum. Last 10 seconds. This round will most probably go to the one who impresses the judges now, but neither one of them tried much,
Final round.
put in much effort to impress the judges under their belt. Will this second bout give Army their second victory, or will Hanewala Ranasinghe Boxing Club take the first gold medal of the women's category of the day?
Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. After 3 rounds of thrilling action, your winner by split decision, Senuri from the red corner.
Yeah, you saw